been asked by one of my viewers if I could show you how I do my overshots, my downshots, yeah, using this little setup. I will stick links into all the parts I'm going to go through right now so that you can go and buy them if you need them. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So this is from a company called Manfrotto. It's an Autopole, and what it does, it extends. All you need to do is the bit in the middle, this little handle here, is you undo this, and it's like a telescopic. It can go in and out, so you can make it longer or shorter by undoing this, and then when you got it to the right length, you close this back up, and it puts a little bit more pressure on the sides to hold it in place. Like I said, it works extremely well. Now, starting from the right, this thing here, this arm, not this, but this arm, that's called a variable friction arm. And this is called a super clamp. Now, I have 3 super clamps on here. I have that one there, I have one in the middle, there, and I have one on the end, there. See that? And you can do loads of different things with it. Basically, you can put your cameras on them, you can put your lighting on them, or other things, whatever you need to put on them. I have this arm on here. I have a camera attached to this one, and I have lighting attached to that one, which normally is plugged into the electrics. Now that is a very long USB Type-C connection for powering this up, and it's plugged in to the mains over there. See that? So if I need extra lighting, I can turn this baby on. Like so. Change the colour if I wanted to. Or most of the time I just use that one up there. Now the camera is a Panasonic Lumix GH5, and I've had it for probably about 4 or 5 years now. And one of my favourite cameras, believe it or not, and it's perfect for looking down, as you can see. Now, rather than keep using batteries to keep this going, I have it plugged into a dummy battery that has electrics. Again, I'm using a very long cable to run it all the way along now and over to there for power. Now, this is only a short video. If you want a more in-depth video, let me know in the comment section that you'd like to see more, whether you want to see my complete setup, my monitors, the software that I use, the hardware that I use, whether it be for the cameras. I've got a camera there, obviously. That camera up there, obviously. And I've got a couple of spare ones laying about as well, obviously. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, and the phone, of course. That's a camera as well, isn't it? Yeah, and also talk about my computers, the shelving that I've made, things like that. Let me know if that's something you might be interested in, and I'll do a more in-depth video. So with that, as usual, I'm going to ask you to subscribe, click on the bell to get notified, and give me the thumbs up. But I'm sure you won't. You never do. That's why we're tiny. That's why we're only a little YouTube channel, because you're not subscribing. Thanks very much for watching.